Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to download Skype on your device. Watch the video till the end to learn how without skipping it, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll receive instant notifications as soon as we post a new video. To download Skype on your device, go visit your PlayStore or your App Store for your iOS. Simply tap it on and in the search box type in Skype, and as soon as you find the app, tap it on. Tap on the install button in order to download and wait for the download to begin. The download process depends upon the speed of your network connection, so be patient on that, and after it is done, wait for it to install on your device. After the installation is complete, you'll see an open button. Tap on the open button, or you can go to your app list and you'll find the app installed on your device. Tap it on and there you go. Sign into your account by tapping on Let's Go and start Skyping. That is how you can download Skype on your device easily. I hope the tutorial was helpful. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if it was. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.